Hello YouTube family, I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be packing an order. If you want to see me do it, keep watching. Alright, so I'm back and I got everything that I need to ship. I have the tutu outfit. I have my, I'm going to be using a gift basket bag to line it. I have my box. I ended up having to get one from Walmart because I didn't have any more. I have my shipping tape. I have a packing bag for the shirt. So I'm gonna get the shirt folded neatly and make sure that there's nothing on it and put into the clear bag. Make sure that it's neatly folded as possible inside the bag. And I like to put the design in the front so when the customer sees it, I always put a thank you card in, and I always write a little hand note on the invoice when I send it to the client, the customer, excuse me. All right, so we have the shirt taken care of and that'll be all ready to go into the box. So now we're gonna get the box ready and I'm just gonna speed this up a little bit. I just want to take this moment to say thank you to everyone who has watched, liked, and subscribed to my channel. It really means a lot to me. I hope that I am providing some inspiration. I hope that I'm providing some helpful tips. And for those who've asked me about demos for different things, I am definitely getting around to getting it done for you. Thank you again. So I have finished getting the box assembled. Now I am going to put the basket bag in to line the box just in case so that moisture doesn't get in there. So I use the basket bags from $1.25 store, and there are two that come in the bag in the pack, and this is a great way to line your box. You don't have to, but just in case it's moisture or wet, this will protect the outfit during it being shipped. So that's just something extra that I do. I always put the tutu in upside down, and I do this because I want to try to keep it as fluffy as possible when the item is being shipped, so that when the recipient receives it, it's not all bunched together. I don't squish it all together. I try to keep it as fluffy as possible. So as you watch me put it in the box, you'll see what I do. And this is my way of doing it. You may have a way that works better, but this always works for me. And when the customer receives it, I'm putting the little cute anklets in. I think they are so cute, but I'm putting them in also, and I'm just placing them in the bag also, but I'm putting them under at the bottom so that they'll be under the tutu. So they're at like what would be the top of the tutu if it was right side up. And so I'm just going to open up those the ruffle part as much as possible. The trim part, try to have it as even all the way around, just looping it like, so you see me really just pulling it up so that it can be as fluffy as possible. And that's just my way of doing it. And I have already put the shirt in, and so I don't take all the air out, but I do take a good amount of it out. And I'll use the one of the ties that came with the basket bag just to tie the top of it. Now another, this is just a business tip. You can also use Uline. They have a lot of great packaging items, and you're gonna see me here. Just a side note, I clip the just a little clip in there, just to release just a little bit, so it's not too poofed up. And there you have it. But again, I would say Uline has a lot of packing items, and you can get like the rolls of like box liners, boxes, and different things like that in bulk at a reasonable price. Or I think it's another one, I can't think of the name of it, Paper Mart or something like that, that you can also get these items from. So I am taping it closed now. I always get excited when I am closing it up because I know it's getting ready to go on its little way to the recipient, and I'm always excited. Like, I'm excited like it's my first order. I know that sounds crazy, but that's just me. It just gives me this great feeling that I made something that someone else felt like it was worth purchasing. It's such a great feeling. Just my little side note of excitement. All right, so now I have my scale so I can weigh it. I do all this at home. Saves me a ton of time going to the post office. So I'm going to get my weight so that I can get my packing slip. And I now use Pirate Ship. It's so much cheaper, and I really like using Pirate Ship. All right, now I'm putting on the label. I printed it out on my thermal printer, and it's on its way. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know every time I upload a new video.